Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. This is your Tita Mommy Irene and welcome to day 2 of our Kamaya Coast vlog. Today, mag-room tour naman tayo. If you want to book for overnight stay, sa website mismo ng Kamaya po kayo magbubook. If later naman po, mas okay na mag-book kayo sa Klook, use my code IreneLB para maka-discount ng up to 5%. Room tour na tayo. Actually, 3 kwarto ang kinuha namin kasi buong pamilya kaming pumunta dito. Room amenities across all rooms, may wifi, cable TV, ref, in-room safe, desk, meron silang daily housekeeping, soundproof rooms, modern private bathrooms, may elevator din sila kaya walang problema kung may mga kasama kayong seniors. And of course, hindi mawawala ang giant mirror, alam nyo na, pang prep, pang pose at pang picture, lagi yung kasama sa room tour natin. And syempre may TV din. Meron ding free complimentary water bottles and coffee. Lahat ng rooms na kinuha namin ay may same window views, aqua fan slides and pool ang bumungad sa'yo pag sisilip ka sa balcony. What's included sa binayaran natin, mapa-day tour o overnight, admission, syempre, sa Aquafan Park at saka sa beach, shower room, infinity pool, lahat ng pool pwede natin ma-access, tables and chairs, inflatables pwede natin gamitin, pwede tayong mag-kayak, bike, volleyball, frisbee, tsaka badminton, pero subject to availability. Price per room is 7,875. Summer kami pumunta kaya medyo pricey. Depende sa season ang rate. Pag off-peak ang rate nila nasa 4,725 pesos lang. That's it for our room tour and overnight rates dito sa Kamaya Coast. Sana nakatulong sa pagplano nyo, lalo na kung gusto nyo ng relaxing stay with complete amenities. Kung meron kayong questions or suggestions for our next trip, comment lang below and I'll try to answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and IG. This is Irene, your Tita Mommy who travels with Daddy Don, kids, and sometimes buong family. See you sa next vlog. Bye!